And in the dark your endless voice spread out the galaxies. A sea of stars before your eyes, your glory filled the newborn skies. And he said, "It is good." And the earth bears witness, it is finished. You look into the crucible that burned with agony. You humbly chose the Father's will and climbed to Calvary. Your blood for all my sins poured out, your final breath that shook the ground. And he said, "It is done." And the hours bear witness, it is finished. I look into the holy place and through the open veil I see my risen King of grace, so please my pardon still, my healing in your sacrifice, my name within your wound inscribed. And you say, "You are mine," and your love bears witness, it is finished. I look into eternity when sorrow seas of dry.